Ever pondered the extraordinary health benefits hidden within everyday superfoods such as spinach and avocado? Today, we're shining the spotlight on these two green powerhouses. Not only do they tantalize our taste buds, but they also offer a plethora of health benefits. And to showcase their might, I'll share a simple yet nutritious spinach and avocado salad recipe that can be whipped up for a quick lunch or a light dinner. So, brace yourselves for a journey into the world of these potent ingredients. First up, spinach. This leafy green is a treasure trove of iron, vitamins A, C, and K, and is loaded with antioxidants. It's a champion for eye health, skin vitality, and immunity boosting. A truly versatile veggie that deserves a spot in every kitchen. Next in line, the creamy, dreamy avocado. This fruit is a powerhouse of healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, and potassium. It's a heart-healthy hero that also enhances nutrient absorption, making it a perfect pairing with other nutrient-rich foods. Together, spinach and avocado form a dynamic duo. Their combined health benefits can help reduce the risk of a variety of diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Talk about a winning team. Now let's translate these health benefits into a tasty meal with a quick and easy spinach and avocado salad recipe. Gather your ingredients: 2 handfuls of fresh spinach, 1 ripe avocado, a few cherry tomatoes, a quarter of a red onion, and a handful of your favorite nuts, such as walnuts. For the dressing, you'll need olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Start by preparing your ingredients. Wash the spinach and tomatoes, then chop the avocado and onion. Next, assemble your salad. In a bowl, combine the spinach, avocado, tomatoes, onion, and nuts. Finally, create your dressing. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Drizzle this over your salad and voila! You've got a nutrient-rich, delicious salad ready to serve. This spinach and avocado salad is not only simple to prepare and packed with nutrients, but it's also versatile enough for any occasion. Now it's your turn. What unique ways do you incorporate spinach and avocado into your meals? Share your favorite recipes and experiences in the comments. And remember, if you're on the hunt for more health-conscious cooking inspiration and scrumptious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Spread the word about this post and be a part of our growing community.